There are two recommended ways for inviting your Microsoft Teams boardroom to a meeting or joining a Microsoft Teams room to a Microsoft Teams meeting. The first is to invite it via the calendar and hitting the join button. The other is joining the meeting using the meeting ID. Let's walk through the two workflows to see how that's done. The first is to invite it using the calendar. So when you set up your meeting, go to the calendar section of Outlook or Teams, create a new meeting, name your meeting like you would normally, invite all your attendees, and then also invite the boardroom. In this case, we're looking to invite Boardroom HQ. That's the name of this room here. The name of the boardroom will be in your directory. It's also identified in the room in the top right-hand corner of the touchscreen or on the screen at the front. You'll see under the clock, the Cortana will move and then the boardroom name will show up right there. When you invite the boardroom in this manner, it will populate the calendar of the boardroom and it will automatically create a meeting with a join button. On the touchscreen, the meeting just popped up and the join button is there. When I'm ready to come into this boardroom and use this for my meeting, all I do is hit the join button. As you can see, the system connected to the meeting by essentially a click of the button. When you're done your meeting, all you have to do is hit the hang up button. The second method is using the meeting ID information. So, if you open up your Microsoft Teams meeting invite and you scroll down to the body of the invitation, you'll see that there's a meeting ID and also passcode. All you have to do then is come into the room, hit the More button, hit Join with Meeting ID, and then just type that information in. Once that information is typed in, the Join Meeting button will line up, and all you have to do is click Join Meeting. Those are the two recommended ways of how to get a Microsoft Teams room meeting into your next Microsoft Teams meeting.